All right, now let's take a look at the Indonesian stock market. Today on Wednesday, the Indonesian composite index, or the IDX, was up marginally by 0.02%. For the full report and analysis, let's turn to Jessica Wulandari reporting from the Indonesian Stock Exchange.
Jakarta Composite Index rose 0.02% today as annual inflation picked up slightly in February, but its core inflation decelerated more than expected. The Consumer Price Index rose 5.47% on a yearly basis in February, roughly in line with the median forecast in a survey of analysts of 5.44% and above January's 5.28%. While core inflation unexpectedly slowed to 3.09% compared with analysts' prediction that it would stay around January's level of 3.27%. Bank Permata's economist Joshua Pardede said the data show core inflation was well anchored. Combined with stability in the rupiah exchange rate, this should mean BI could keep interest rate unchanged, though he warned a potential seasonal rise in prices ahead of the Muslim fasting period that starts later this month. And other sentiment was China's official manufacturing purchasing managers index rose to 52.6 in February. On the other hand, non-manufacturing PMI rose to 56.3, above January's reading of 54.4. Next, let's move on to rupiah and commodity prices. Rupiah closed 0.06% higher as the dollar edged lower due to U.S. business activity shrank in January. The downturn moderated across both the manufacturing and services sectors for the first time since September. And commodity prices also gained. Spot gold rose 0.24% to $1,814 a troy ounce, while WTI crude oil gained 0.8% and Brent was up 0.78%. Now let's take a look to the top gainers of the day. The top gainers were Lini Maju Kreasi Ekosistem, Makmur Berkah Amanda, and Faslan Indonesia. Meanwhile, the top losers of the day were Barito Pacific, Cakra Buana Resources Energy, and Bangun Karya Perkasa. And tomorrow, index expected in the range of 6,798 until 6,912, while rupiah will be moved between 15,200 until 15,300.